In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make a Roblox game. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we do get started, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template. So if you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links down in the description. Not only does this help support the channel a little bit, but it also will help you make the ultimate Roblox game. It's extremely helpful. Now, if you already have Roblox installed, Roblox Studio is most likely already on your PC. If not, though, open up a browser, download Roblox Studio, because you have to have Roblox Studio in order to make a Roblox game. But once you have it, open it up, and once Roblox Studio itself opens, you can either start with a blank project or you could choose from a template like I am on right now. If you're brand new, what I recommend doing, though, is going on and selecting Start Learning. This is going to kind of walk you through the basics of how everything works, because it can be a little confusing to kind of look at this and be like, oh, okay, this is how I need to build this. Even though they have this entire toolbox with all these different assets and whatnot, it's always easy to start learning first. But if you already know the basics, just choose a template like the base plate template, the obby template, or the platformer template. And then from here, you just got to build your map. You can add parts, you can use scripts, customize the game, and just test it out inside of Roblox Studio just by hitting play, just like so. And then it'll start simulating the game just like so. But the process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.